Hey everyone, want to manage watermarks in Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to remove or avoid watermarks from your own AI-generated videos using available options. First, open the Pika AI website and sign in to your account. Go to your projects and select the video you want to export. Next, check the export settings before saving your video. Depending on your plan and available features, Pika AI may provide different export options. Now review your account settings and subscription options if watermark-free exports are available for your projects. If you're creating new videos, make sure you use the correct export settings from the beginning. Choosing the right options early can help you avoid needing to edit the video later. For videos you own, you can also use a video editor to add your own branding, crop content, or make other adjustments after exporting. Always make sure you have permission to edit and share any video content you use. Finally, export your finished video and check the final result before uploading it to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And that's how to manage watermarks in Pika AI. By using the correct export options and settings, you can create professional-looking AI videos for your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.